In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're building something in Base44 and want to include an image inside your chat or project, this simple method will help you upload it in just a few clicks. It's a really useful feature when you want to add screenshots, reference images, visuals, or any file from your computer without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Base44 and go to your AI chat window. This is where you'll be able to send prompts, upload files, and interact with the assistant. At the bottom or side of the chat area, look for the Add button, usually shown as a plus icon. This is the place where Base44 lets you attach extra content to your conversation. Now click the Add plus icon. Once you do that, a menu will appear with different upload options. From that menu, select Upload from Computer. This tells Base44 that you want to bring in an image file directly from your device instead of linking something from the web or choosing another source. After that, your computer's file picker will open. Browse through your folders and select the image you want to upload. It could be a PNG, JPG, or another supported image file. Once you choose the file, confirm the selection and let it upload into Base44. Depending on the file size and your connection, this should only take a moment. Once the image is uploaded, the next important step is telling Base44 where you want that image to appear. You can do that right in the chat box. Simply type a clear instruction describing the placement. For example, you could say place the image at the top of the page, insert it below the heading, add it beside the text, or position it in the center of the section. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. This part is really important because uploading the image is only half the process. The chat instruction helps Base44 understand how to use that image in your layout or response. So if you want the image under a title, above a paragraph, or inside a specific section, make sure you say that clearly in the chat box. If needed, you can also refine your instruction after the first attempt. For example, if the image appears in the wrong spot, just tell Base44 to move it higher, move it lower, or place it next to a particular element. That makes it easy to adjust without starting over. And that's it. You now know how to add images in Base44 using the Add icon, the Upload from Computer option, and a simple placement instruction in the chat box. It's a fast and easy workflow that can save you a lot of time when working on visual content. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.